Pailib na siya. Mura manig mo adrapit eh. Oh. Na mingani dito sa mua. Masakan. Palipatan diretso patay bayad.
Pwede ba mo nagpapal?
Ay, kabayo sila tiyo. True. Si Ruby. Makahikat ng tagabayad eh. Oh, this is our farm.
Yes.
As you can see here.
Oh, look at the lovers.
Look at the lovers. It's free, you know. Free
20
dating, but the entrance is not. 150 per head.
Oh, the double floor area.
Yeah.
We call that second floor. and
Second
first
floor.
This is our tulay.
That's our tulay. Free tulay.
Tayo dadaan.
Oh, it's scary. Do we have access on the kabayo?
The
horses?
pangalan sa the kabayo, the coco, the rosin, the ruby.
And Drusta.
There's a lot of dogs here.
Yeah, the bantays. Oh, there's also a cows. Their banana is cute.
They are tapok-tapok.
They were grouped into 10. Yeah, it's so beautiful here.
Yeah, we have to select the moment.
This is
That's
the
150.
150. Oh,
We're gonna horseback riding.
but it pays I think,
There are here crabs.
and there also a kanga here.
Oh,
Kanga.
that's the tai is the
The
kangaroo.
kanga. Oh, available here.
Crab nook.
Refreshment. Oh,
Mineral water. Oh, we have
20.
mineral water already. Where's the crabs?
crabs. Shy. So there's nothing here. Where's the crab?
Difficult to catch.
The aquaculture.
Fish. Ganina kay insa ta din
Farm experience. This is the aquaculture.
There's someone there.
Yeah.
Very cute. We're gonna be
No access
going
beyond
on
this point
Okay,
now.
okay.
So we better
Where's their
go there.
tulay. Huh?
Here.
Ito pala sa senda natin.
The sunset is setting down. So
Ang hacienda ni Buena.
this is our hacienda.
Hacienda
I'm just
Luisita.
giving you a tour.
This is the footbath.
Footbath. Oh, you want to take picture? The view is clear.
It sounds like
Oh, you have a beautiful view there. Such a beautiful. Ate, I will take picture.